Can you guys even imagine that you can earn literally $100 by just doing surveys in a application? So hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I have a earning application from where you can do small surveys and earn big amount of money. So to download this application, you just need to go in Play Store and Play Store or App Store and search Happy Surveys, and you will get this type of earning application, or I'll leave a link in description. So after downloading this application, you just need to open this and you will get this type of interface where you can even share the invitation code. I have no any invitation code for this video, so sorry. And you just need to click in start button. So there is a data protection interface. You just need to click in privacy policy and terms of service, so you need to read that carefully. After opening this application, you need to click in free daily reward. After that you will get 20 points free, and there is a slot of top task. You will get 8,759 points after downloading a certain game and upgrade to 10 level. It's written there, and you will get a lot of earning offers, and you just to click in new tasks. These are not surveys, these are those tasks. To get surveys, you just need to click in surveys at right option, and you will get surveys of 4 options, and there is top surveys. If you click in take a surveys, get a rewarding sharing your points. So at the first slot, you just need to give in your opinion, not a exact answer, but in third, fourth, you need to give the exact answer. From first survey you can earn 710 points, and from second 592. So likewise, if you click in that medal option or cheers option, you will get this type of interface where that is reward history, and at last option you will get 4 dot. You will see this type of interface where you need to edit your name, edit your you need to log in. Similarly, you can invite your friends in order to earn points. So in order to invite, you just need to click in invite friends, and you will get 200 credits for 2 comments. You just need to send them link, and if they click on link and download this application, you will get 200 bucks. So after earning a lot of points to withdraw, you just need to click in $sign at left side of that fourth option, and you will get this type of interface where you can only withdraw in PayPal. So in order to withdraw $10 in PayPal, you need to earn 10,000 points, and in order to withdraw $20, you need to earn 20k coins, and in order to earn $50, you need to earn 50k coins. So to earn $10, you just need to click in $10 and click in next. If you click in next, you will see this type of interface where there is oops, because I have not earned $10,000 coins basically. So there is history that is called reward history or payment history. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you guys like this video.